Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda Shadow Aero Cruiser. This is the classic Honda 750cc fuel injection, liquid cooled, shaft drive, beautiful metallic red paint scheme. It's got that cool luggage rack on the rear, fender, saddlebag stays. Bike only has 2,483 miles. Super low seat height, easy to handle, 750cc's. Come by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Only $49.99 right here, Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.